Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation session. Today, we're going to explore the incredible power of meditation in relieving stress and finding inner peace and tranquility in our lives. Experience instant calm and banish stress with this 10-minute meditation that will leave you feeling peaceful and rejuvenated. Life can sometimes be stressful, and you may find yourself needing to hit the pause button, let go of tension, and re-establish a sense of inner peace. Escape the stress and chaos of everyday life as you experience deep relaxation and tranquility. As you focus on the present moment and let go of worries and care, take the next 10 minutes to reset and come into the present moment. I'm Naveen Zatari from A Healing Haven, and I am grateful to guide you today. I invite you to make yourself comfortable as you begin to settle in to stillness and enjoy a sense of inner peace. Close your eyes and take a long, slow breath in. Feel the tension in your body as it begins to loosen, and as you exhale, let go of all the stress within. Give yourself permission to sink into a state of calm, peacefulness. Come into the present moment awareness. The past will remain in the past, and the future will remain in the future. There is only the present moment, and this is where your inner peace is found. Allow yourself to simply be in this moment without needing to change or control your experience. As you focus on your breath, you'll find a sense of inner peace. Breathe in calmly and breathe out any tension gradually, allowing your breath to become slow and relaxed. Let go of all that holds you back. Let go again and again, shedding the layers to reach your inner peace. In the stillness of this moment, find your peace. Allow yourself to release and let go fully. Take a journey within to the deepest parts of your soul, where peace resides. Allow yourself to sink into a state of serenity and rest. Allow your thoughts to come and go like clouds in the sky. Let go of attachments to any thoughts. Let them pass you by. As you let go of the need to control, you'll begin to see that peace and contentment are already inside of you. Let go of all your cares and allow yourself to simply be. As you let go, you'll find inner peace. Each time you breathe out, you can let go deeper into relaxation. Allow your mind to become as peaceful and tranquil as your breath. Allow yourself to become fully absorbed in the present moment. As you rest, bring your attention to your body now. Starting from the top of your head, notice all parts of you and invite a softening. Let your scanning awareness move down through each part of your body, noticing any sensations or feelings that may arise. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and simply acknowledge them without judgment. Take your time as you lovingly allow your awareness to flow through all parts of your body. As you continue to scan through your body, you may notice that your mind becomes more still and your body becomes more relaxed. Allow yourself to simply be present. Focus on the present and let go of the past. Allow yourself to feel peace and joy, knowing that you deserve to find this inner peace and happiness. Connect with the ease in your body now as you take another long, slow breath in and out. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and continue to enjoy the inner peace as you gradually come out of your meditative state. I invite you to subscribe to our channel for more guided meditation sessions and to share your experience in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to inner peace and mindfulness. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, peace is within reach, and it all starts with a simple breath. Stay present, stay mindful, and have a beautiful day. Much gratitude.